Hey, what's up everyone? So I've recently had a lot of requests to show you where the inertia switch is on this particular vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through exactly where it is. This here is a 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 2.4 liter engine. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to pop the hood here. And then over here on the driver's side of the vehicle next to the master cylinder, there's going to be this little rubber boot type thing here next to the reservoir. You will simply just want to press the button on the top of the inertia switch. If you do not feel or hear a click, it typically means that your inertia switch has not been triggered. One thing you have to do on some particular vehicles is you have to actually disconnect the battery before being able to reset this. So if for some reason you still think it's the inertia switch after you press the top of it and it's not working, then I would go ahead and disconnect the battery and try clicking it again. Hopefully this is helpful. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.